Fucking hell. And again, a terrible fucking spot for me to choose. Hey, welcome. It's a fucking beautiful day, as you can see. I thought I would fucking take this motherfucker out and rip the shit out of it today. Look at the weather. It's so fucking nice. No clouds in the sky whatsoever. It's still pretty chilly, but it's pretty nice. Oh, get the fuck off of there. Oh, I had a fucking nail stuck in the back of my tyre this morning because I was cleaning my bike and I saw it. I was like, oh no, don't tell me I've got to spend another 150 quid on getting a new tyre, because this thing's not even a month old. But thankfully it didn't go that far. Here's a picture of it. It was fine, thankfully. Fuck that. I need to stop stopping in one of these fucking places, because this is all where the fucking gravel, nails, whatever the fuck, everything's at. But anyways, I got a new front tyre on it, so I need to wear this motherfucker in. As you can see, fucking hell. What's that on it? Oh, it's rubber, that's fine. Anyways, we've got a new one of these on. Also, I got some new fucking decals on it. It looks kind of gay, I'm not gonna lie, but I quite like it. Hold on, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. You know what, fuck it, I'll throw up a picture. That's what it looks like. I quite like it, better than the just the red. I'm not even that far from home, realistically. Only about 40 minutes away. I've never rode here by myself. The only time I've ever been here was in a car with my mates, and we were going to like this mountain bike place. But yeah, there was a bunch of fucking potholes from what I remember Mansfield way. Pretty horrendous. As of so far, I've not found fucking any, so I'm gonna try ripping this shit out of my bike on these roads. Alright, let's get to it. Also, I've got another mic adapter coming. The two that I bought, for some reason, they just don't work with the mics that I have. Turns out I was just missing some kind of piece inside of it, so I've ordered another one that should have the piece that's needed. So hopefully, audio is better. Then, let's fucking go. Also, one thing I've noticed, there's so much fucking rubbish always in one of these. thing. I get so nervous turning this camera on. Oh shit, bro, I'm dipping into the dip. Like, I don't even know why. Like, it feels like I have to put a character on and I just can't really be myself for some reason. Fucking oh mate, the things I do to have a bigger bike right now. Anyways though, I love this CB. Yeah, I got new tyres put on it. It feels like this tyre is slimmer. It doesn't feel as steady. Mate, so many bikers out today. I swear, riding here, like I've seen at least 4, 5. And now I've seen like, I don't even know, it's like one every fucking 5 minutes. Oh, we're looking at fuel. Fuel's looking good. Alright. It's warming up. Oh, it's so nice, the sun. But yeah, I've not really explained the plan for today. Plan is, I got my camera. I want to take some nicer pictures of the bike in like a foresty area. And what better place than Mansfield, right? I'm going to go to the exact same forest, see if I can find a spot there. Hopefully I don't have to pay. Because I'm fucked right now for money. Like, it's not even funny anymore. I hope you can hear me perfectly. I might have to turn the engine off because it's too loud. Also, one thing I've noticed, I'm over tightened these, so this just gets stuck. Oh, I can't give you a good demonstration, but it does get stuck from time to time. Also, I'm not 100% sure what the fuck happened to the camera because the quality just fucking died on it. Like I wasn't able to change anything. If I went to pro settings, there was barely fucking anything there. Like 10-bit color wasn't there, L-log wasn't there. Fucking couldn't change the shutter speed for some reason. It was like capped or locked or some shit. So I had to fucking fully restart it, redo all my settings. So hopefully you can actually see. Instead of it being fucking grainy and shit, move it. It was just grainy, fucking like red pixels, orange pixels, just everywhere. You just couldn't see shit. I don't know. Hopefully this is sorted. I'll only find out when I'm editing. Alright, let's get going, Fucking burning gas for no reason. It was taking me a really weird route. I didn't want to end up in the dirt, so I just kept on going. That's not the fucking road. I don't know what it was, but this spot caught my attention, so I had to turn around and have a look. You know what? That could actually work, you know. Fucking hell. Wait a minute, this was a bad idea. Hold on a minute. How can I? Hold on, I need to fucking put the mirror in. Oh fuck, hold on. This is fun. Oh, I stalled it. I meant to do that. So at this point, I didn't realize how much battery my camera had, and it was practically almost gone. So I'm just going to leave the video here. If you watched it this far, cheers. And these are the pictures that I got from this spot. These photos will be uploaded on Insta by now. So if you want, you can check it out. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.